Great timing. Hello my loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you didn't see my last vlog, we have basically renovated a house to put it on Airbnb, so which means we'll be completely furnishing it. Stephanie's done all the hard work, the graft, taking it back to brick and starting from scratch. At this point it's my time to shine because I'm the one who goes in and makes it look all pretty. So I've got a few bits from I've got a few bits from B&M. I went to B&M the other day. I got a couple of bits from there, nothing too crazy. I've got a few bits from the range, a few bits from Ikea, and that's literally it so far. But I thought I just want to show you what I've got so far because later on today I'm going to be taking everything to the house and starting to like put little bits here and there and starting to dress it. I'm going to start with B&M because I went there the other day and not only have I got stuff for the house, I've got some random other bits and pieces. First thing I picked up was this flash. Obviously it's just a handle and you replace the heads. It's just a duster. I'm not going to go into too much detail about that. But basically the whole house needs a good clean because obviously it's been took back to brick. At this point now it's fully painted and the bathroom's in, the kitchen's in, the flooring's in. It just all needs a good clean before we start putting beds and bedding in and things like that. So over time I've been buying a few bits and pieces for cleaning it, and I just saw them in B&M the other day and I thought I'd pick them up and see what they're like. I also got this toilet brush. Now, right, hear me out. Some people don't actually like a toilet brush because they are clearly so unhygienic, like actually disgusting. Until I lived with Stefan, I'd never used a toilet brush before. Never needed to. TMI. Anyway, but I picked this one up just because it was £3.50. I bought a really expensive toilet brush for this house ages ago. It's really expensive, like 15 quid for a toilet brush though. It was gorgeous. It was like stone, really quite heavy, and then it had like a metal handle and a metal like disc, and it all went rusty and you couldn't clean it off and it looked absolutely disgusting, so I ended up binning it. So I thought we'll just get a plastic one. It's for a rental property, it's for Airbnb, so I can imagine that this probably will get replaced on a regular basis depending on how dirty our guests are. Two little random bits and pieces which are just for Ronnie, and I'm going to show you these now because I'm going to give them to him to try and keep him quiet. Got him a little remote control because he's obsessed with the TV remote. So I'm going to pass him that. So if you keep hearing that sound, that's because Ronnie's got it. But I am one of them, like I never thought I'd be like this, but I love babies' toys, I love kids' toys, I think it's so cute. And then I just got that. I think they were like £4 each. I also picked up some paracetamol whilst I was in B&M. I got some toothpaste, but someone took it out. But my little nearly 7-month-old Ronnie has got 3 teeth. 3 teeth, I can't believe it. But I picked him up some little toothbrushes and I've been putting off brushing his teeth because I wanted to show you them. Bad mum alert. But these are just Bluey. There was a couple of different, I didn't pick these for any particular reason, I just thought they were cute. Keeping your teeth sparkly clean with this colourful Bluey toothbrush duo for children aged 4 to 6. I also got this Dove deodorant. Actually smells a little bit like talcum powder. Got a little roll-on as well, Mitchum unscented roll-on, because I like to keep one in my bag, keep one in the car, keep one in the bag, because we just don't want to be smelling like BO. I also got some floss because I have a dentist appointment coming up, scale and polish or whatever you call it, and I know she's going to ask me if I floss my teeth, and I don't floss my teeth. I do not floss my teeth as often as I should, so I've bought myself some more floss. And if you saw last week's vlog, you'll see that the kitchen in the Airbnb is green. So I just saw these tea towels and thought they were nice. They were a pack of 3 for £3.50 and I got 2 lots. I also got these, good for putting shampoo and conditioner in, or like hand soap. Cute little candle, £4. What I tend to do is always snip the wick out so that people are not tempted to light them, because I would rather people not be lighting candles in the house. But yeah, I just thought that was really, really cute. I did also get this bath mat from B&M. It was £3.50 and I just thought it was really cute and quite soft. I might keep that myself. I think this candle's from the range. I'll snip the wicks out. We have little shelving areas, just a little bit of a filler. Again from the range, I just got this pack of 10 taper candles because I've got a few candle holders now, obviously to put in the house. I have had this on my dining table and I kind of like it, so I might keep it. So again, from the range, it's like looks like a knot. And then I did burn the bottom of the candles so that they would stick and be stood up straight, but over time they've just gone a little bit wonky. Looks gorgeous in the middle of the table. right, tack it or not, because I really like it, and I've got two, and they are currently on my dining table. It's just like a little gold palm tree. I've just never seen anything like that before, and I just thought it was really, really cute. This I had a nightmare with. I ordered this online from the range. I think it was like £2.99. They do an apple and a pear. When it came, it was smashed, it was broke. But anyway, I sent them an email and they literally replaced it within like 2 days. I don't even know if you can like see properly, it's gorgeous. I also got this, which is kind of cute. Again, it was like £2.99. Little ornament. I got these two pictures for the wall. Each bedroom has got like a different theme. The whole house will be sort of neutral, classic, golds and creams, but each room has got like a slightly different theme. I love a woodland theme, but nothing too in your face. Thank you. So I got these two pictures. They had loads of different ones. It's got cellophane over it, but this is a cute little rabbit in a tweed jacket with a pearl necklace on. This one is a cow with a hat. So my vision for them is like at the side of the beds, maybe with like a light over them. Then I got this mushroom. Honestly, these bits are so random. So we've got a bit of a media wall with longer shelves. So it's like a bigger gap to fill, if that makes sense. But anyway, I really like that. Another little cute ornament. I got this yoga woman. I actually saw these in B&M the other day, like, and different ones with different poses, which I thought were cute. But it's just giving like peace and tranquility vibes, and I love it. I also got these, like they look like books, but they're boxes. But they just look cute on like a little coffee table. Obviously, if you had these at home, you could put them on your coffee table, but put like your remotes in, or like, you know, you have like clips and bobbles just hanging about. But this is what they look like. Dead cute. Chenille. This throw, because throws and blankets and cushions make a room, don't they? And moving on to Ikea. Pillowcases are so cheap from Ikea. I can't remember how much these things were, but they were so inexpensive. Because like you buy these types of things on Amazon or online, and you can pay like £15 just for a cushion cover. I might be eating my words now. I should probably check this, but I do think they were cheap. But neutral colours like this, you cannot go wrong. These can go in the living room, they can go in any bedroom, they can be put anywhere. And then like paired with something similar, so like another neutral but a different texture. So that one's like a little bit teddy bear. 2 of them and 2 of them. I'll just need to buy inserts for these. I do normally get my inserts off Amazon, but if you can think of anywhere cheaper, do let me know. Another throw, just like a waffly material. Once the bedding's on, the cushions, the pillows and the cushions, just a throw over, just to make it look cozy and feel homely. So God, if you watched the vlog, I showed you this big dining table setup. I kind of copied a few little bits and pieces off that. And there was 2 table runners. 2's a little bit overkill, but they did look really nice put together. One was like this, the other one is like stripes, so one will go under the other. Instead of coming into an empty dining table, we would set up the dining table so it looks like it's ready to be sat down and ate at. Bit random. Got a cheese grater. Then I got 4 placemats. I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. These were on the setup at Ikea, and I just thought they looked really nice. We've ordered some cream, like a cream dinner set from Ikea. Dead cheap. Just got this fruit bowl. Tempted to get like plastic fruit to put in it. If you've got any ideas of anything else I could put in it, just so it looks nice, maybe on the table or in the kitchen. Obviously, I'm not going to fill it with fresh fruit every time because I'm not made of money. Do you know what I'm saying? I got these little coasters. 5 different utensils. Cute. Another waffly type neutral toned waffle throw, again from Ikea. Last, very random, did you know that Shein do homeware? Seen these types of cushions on the range, Dunelm, Amazon, anywhere you can think of. We're talking £20 plus for a cushion that you're not even going to use as a cushion. It's just going to be there for sure. And I got this from Shein and it was £8. I thought I'll see what it's like. I didn't want to go and order loads of stuff from Shein and go crazy and then it all be a bit rubbish. For what we want it for, perfect. And so far, that is literally everything. I feel like this video is going to be really short, but just wanted to show you all the little bits and pieces that I got. I really hope you enjoyed this little video. I am going to head to the house now, take all these bits and pieces and try and do a few little bits and bats whilst we're there this afternoon. We're going for a curry tonight, so I am going to vlog over the next day and a half. So yes, make sure you're subscribed for more videos from us. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you in our next one. Bye. Mwah.